Hi, my name is Shirma from grade 5B. Today I'm going to show you how to make a mango milkshake. And as you see, you need some sugar. I'm actually not using sugar because it's not good for health. So I use brown sugar, which is actually really good. And as you see, I have milk and some cubes of mangoes. So first what you need to do is, as you see, this is a blender mixer. You have to add the mangoes in. You can use a spoon, but yeah, I'm going to use it. And as you add it on, you have to add some milk. You can add how much ever your quantity is, and so on. After putting the milk, you have to put some brown sugar because you need sugar, because all these mangoes are not, mangoes are not always sweet, so that's why. And I'm going to take some sugar. Not too much, and then put it all over. If you want, you can add some more. And I'm going to put that in. And I'm going to lock this. I do have a blender, so I can just put that on, lock it, turn on the switch, and so what I'm going to do is, I can just take some more milk, because that time the mango was like a cube, and so it needs to get grind well. So that's why, please grind it well, or blend it well. And so I have put in some more milk, and after putting milk, I can just add on to it again and switch it on, and there you go. Okay, so after doing this, never forget to switch it off, or you don't know what will happen. It's going to be really painful. And then, as you see, it's all foamy and so fluffy over here. And I'm just going to remove it in this glass, or pour it in this glass actually. Yep, the rest is going to be for my mom, or my dad actually. So I'm going to keep that for later, and switch it off. So this is the milkshake that I have made, and it's actually not the milkshake, it's mango milkshake, remember that. Wow. That's just so fantastic. Gotta mean it. It's really refreshing in summer. And if you want, you can add some oats and almonds, which will actually make it as your breakfast. It's gonna be really heavy, but yeah. So it's gonna be healthy after all. Thank you. Bye.